The batteries supplied with Bobcat mowers are sealed absorbent glass mat or AGM batteries. With the machine off, PTO disengaged, and parking brake engaged, raise the seat. Using a digital multimeter, determine the battery's state of charge. Charge if less than 12.4 volts. AGM batteries must be charged with an AGM-rated charger. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before inspecting cables and connections. Bobcat mowers are compatible with non-AGM batteries and can accommodate the larger standard U1 battery. To remove a battery, first, disconnect and remove the terminal bolt and nut off of the negative battery terminal. Then repeat the process with the positive battery terminal. Remove the battery bracket and then the battery. When installing the battery, clean the battery terminals and cable ends. If using a larger battery, rotate the bracket and use the alternate hole pattern when mounting. When installing the battery, do not touch any metal parts with the battery terminals. Connect the positive cable, making sure the red insulating cover protects the positive battery terminal from accidental grounding. Connect the negative cable last. Charge and store the battery at above freezing temperatures and never attempt to charge a frozen battery. For long-term storage, use a good quality AGM battery maintainer or trickle charger to compensate for battery self-discharge.